What is up, everybody? Right today, I am going to be unboxing some Pokemon stuff. Comment down below what you think is gonna be in here. I just got back from my trip from San Antonio. I should be posting a video of me on a roller coaster. It was so funny. And then some little shorts of you guys trying to find the snakes in the picture at the zoo. And also you guys can just see the lions that we saw. Anyways, let's get into it. I went to this place called the Poke Hive, and if you're in San Antonio, go check it out. Just make sure to bring like $100. It's like a really expensive place, but they give you free Pokemon stickers. Anyways, we got what's this called again? I need to refresh my Pokemon mind, guys. Sorry if I don't know the names of every single Pokemon. Anyways, I think it's like a Nidoran. I don't know. And a Blastoise sticker. In this bag, we have a Mega Charizard X plush toy thing. It's actually really cool. Check out these wings. The fire actually feels like something. I don't know what. The head is a bit hard, but the rest is squishy. The next bag, first thing is, it's a single pack of battle styles. We got some battle styles right here. I think this is like pretty old. I can't even remember when they had battle styles out. Like, they got some old stuff. Like, they got Shining Fates, Evolving Sky, Silver Tempest, Pokemon Go. Really old packs. Anyways, let's open up this Battle Styles pack. Very thin. Scissors. Kids, always remember to ask your parents for scissors first. I don't ask my mom because I'm 8, so I'm too old for that. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Code card. Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Let's play tennis. I'll go first. Anyways, guys, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First card. Core fish. Put it in the stinky bag. Galarian Slowpoke. Timber. Esper. Electabuzz. Tower of Darkness. Heatmore. Tyrael. I don't know. Energy. Colossal. Funny name. It's a hollow. Hollows aren't what we're looking for. And a hollow Houndour. Pretty bad pack. We got something bigger though, guys. We went from old to new. Obsidian Flames. ETB. There we go. I have never opened Obsidian Flames before. This is my first time ever opening Obsidian Flames, guys. Hopefully I get something good to rub it in my friend Cooper's face, because we go on the bus together, and every single time he brags about how he has the best card in the set. So hopefully we get something good to rub back on. Okay, just look at the rare stuff. Charmander is pretty rare, I see. Ooh. Guys, I want to get that Charizard EX right there. That looks so cool. Oh, there's a regular one too. Oh my god, this thing is full of cool Charizard and Tyranitar EXs that I really want to get. Dragonite EX, that thing is so cool. Guys, subscribe so I can get all these super good cards. Anyways, enough looking, more opening. Dumb markers. Pretty cool dice, but not what we're looking for. Energies. I only care if there's a fairy energy, guys, because that is the rarest energy, so I don't care about these cards unless they're a fairy. Yep, no fairies. Let's check out the, really they're the least cool sleeves ever. Code. Put these back. Guys, check out this card. Charmander. It's a bit bent, but I can still save it. Sleeve it. I mean, it did have to survive a whole entire trip from San Antonio, Texas to Corpus Christi, Texas. So I see why it would be bent. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Whatever. Obsidian flames. Whoa, this is way more than a regular ETB 9 packs, probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How is this 9? Okay. Oh, hey, Dom. Just making a YouTube video. Okay, guys. Okay. Sorting the flames pack. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. I just like to sort my packs a lot. Okay. Obsidian Flames. First pack. Oh no, guys. I only have 5 more minutes. Because I have this downtime thing where it doesn't allow me to use my camera anymore. So we gotta hurry this up. Dropped it. Oh my god, guys. We might need to make a part 2. Because this, or my stepdad can just edit the 2 parts together. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Mobile. Cub chew. Drillbur. Capsicid. Snubble. Energy. Whoa! Miraidon EX. Guys, comment down below how much this costs. Well, I could probably already use price sorting. Miraidon EX. Let's see. Togepi. Bounce Sweet. Crown of Buffalo. Next pack. Code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, hold. 7, 8, 9. Okay. No pack trick, I think. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 pack trick. Phantom. I don't know which pack trick to use on this set, guys. Comment down below what pack trick to use. 6, 4, or no pack trick. Vulpix. Bounce Sweet. Again. Brokey. Energy. Scizor. Ramble. Rabble Roller. Houndstone. Doug Trio. Ninetales.